They say Tesla builds the most advanced cars on Earth. But what if I told you? Even most Tesla owners don't know what their car is truly capable of. Hidden deep inside the touchscreen, buried within the software updates, and locked behind voice commands, are features that can make your Tesla feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to Mototech Homes. Today, we're diving into 10 hidden Tesla features only 1% of owners know about. And trust me, number 9 will completely change the way you drive. 1. The Joe Mode trick. Keep your Tesla quiet at night. Let's start with something simple, but genius. Ever had your Tesla make a loud chime or alert when someone's sleeping inside? There's a hidden setting called Joe Mode. It was reportedly named after a Tesla owner named Joe, who wrote to Elon Musk complaining that alerts were waking his kids during road trips. Tesla listened. If you go to Controls, Safety, Joe Mode, your Tesla lowers the volume of all chimes and notifications inside the cabin, while still keeping external alerts active. It's a tiny feature, but it shows how Tesla's design language is built around real people, not just technology. 2. The secret dashcam viewer. Everyone knows Tesla cars have cameras all around. But did you know your car secretly records almost everything that happens around it, even when it's parked? This is part of Sentry Mode, your car's built-in security system. But here's what most people don't realize. You can watch and download that footage directly from the touchscreen. No phone, no laptop. Just plug in a USB drive formatted correctly, and then tap Controls, Safety, Dashcam Viewer. Here, you'll see every clip of someone walking too close, opening a door near you, or even trying to scratch your car. It's your car's personal CCTV system, and most owners never use it. 3. The Rainbow Road Easter egg, a touch of Tesla humor. Tesla may be known for cutting-edge AI, but Elon Musk's team also loves a good laugh. When Autopilot is active, try tapping the Autopilot stalk down 4 times in quick succession. The screen will suddenly transform into a rainbow road, straight out of Mario Kart, complete with disco lights and a funky soundtrack. It's Tesla's way of saying, even when the car drives itself, you should still enjoy the ride. 4. Voice commands that actually do more than you think. You've probably used basic Tesla voice commands, navigate home, or play music. But the system is capable of far more. Say things like, turn on the seat heater, set temperature to 72, open the glove box, adjust mirrors, fold mirrors when parked. Tesla's voice assistant doesn't just follow commands, it understands intent. For example, saying I'm cold will automatically increase your cabin temperature. That's not just AI, that's empathy, built into code. 5. Cabin overheat protection. Your Tesla thinks for you. Summer heat can turn a parked car into an oven, but Tesla has a hidden feature that could save lives. Under Safety. Cabin overheat protection. Your Tesla will automatically keep the cabin below 105 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, even when you're away. It uses fans, and, if necessary, the battery, to protect pets, kids, or groceries from extreme temperatures. It's one of those silent features that most owners forget to enable, until it's too late. 6. Dog Mode. Because Tesla loves pets. Speaking of safety, this one's a fan favorite. Activate Dog Mode, and your Tesla keeps the climate comfortable for your pet while displaying a large message on the screen. My owner will be back soon. Don't worry, the AC is on. This prevents well-meaning passers-by from panicking or breaking your window. It's thoughtful, responsible, and very Tesla. 7. Scheduled charging and climate preconditioning. Tesla's efficiency doesn't stop with the car itself. It's smart about your energy use too. In the charging menu, you can set scheduled departure. The car will finish charging just before you leave, so the battery is warm, efficient, and ready. It also preheats or cools the cabin automatically at that time. The result? Lower electricity bills, higher battery longevity, and a perfectly comfortable start every day. 8. The hidden karaoke and theater mode. Here's where Tesla becomes more than just a car. It's an experience. Inside your Tesla, there's a hidden world of entertainment, karaoke and theater mode. Under entertainment, You can sing along to thousands of songs, lyrics on screen, using the car's built-in mic. Or switch to theater mode and stream Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or Twitch right from your seat. Perfect for long charging stops or road trip breaks. Just remember, entertainment features only work in park, not while driving. 9. The secret energy graph and regeneration insights. Here's one that separates casual drivers from the real enthusiasts. Tesla hides a real-time energy graph that shows exactly how efficiently you re-driving, including your regenerative braking output. Tap energy, consumption, and you'll see a rolling graph that updates every few seconds, showing how hills, speed, and temperature affect range. This hidden data is gold for anyone who wants to squeeze every mile out of a single charge. 10. Tesla Arcade, games that use the steering wheel. Yes, Tesla cars can play video games, but most owners don't know the steering wheel itself can be used as a game controller. Open Arcade, choose a compatible game like Beach Buggy Racing 2, and your Tesla becomes an actual gaming machine. Turn the wheel, use pedals, and watch your on-screen car mirror your movements. It is insanely fun while charging or waiting, and another sign that Tesla sees the car not just as transport, but as entertainment on wheels. Bonus feature, Tesla Light Show. Okay, here's a hidden gem to end on. Your Tesla has a light show mode built right into its software. Yes, it can literally dance. Go to Toybox, Light Show, choose your song, and step outside. Your Tesla will flash headlights, move mirrors, and open doors in perfect rhythm to the beat. You can even download custom light shows from the Tesla community online. It's pure magic, and the ultimate party trick for any Tesla owner. Tesla isn't just redefining the car, it's redefining what owning one means. These features, from safety innovations like cabin overheat protection, to fun touches like Rainbow Road, show that the future of driving is about intelligence, personality, and connection. If you're one of the 1% who knew them all, congratulations, you're a true Tesla master. But if even one of these surprised you, hit that subscribe button, because at Mototech Homes, we uncover the unseen world of modern automotive tech every week. Until next time, drive smart, stay curious, and enjoy the ride.